Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn phrasal verbs with through. Break through. To forcefully move through an obstacle. The protesters tried to break through the police barrier. The rescue team broke through the locked door to save the child. Break through. To achieve success after overcoming difficulties. After years of struggle, she finally broke through in the film industry. Scientists are trying to break through in cancer research. Get through. To complete or finish something. I had so much work, but I finally got through it. He barely got through his exams this semester. Get through. To endure a difficult situation. She is strong enough to get through this tough time. We will get through this crisis together. Get through. To make contact via phone. I tried calling, but I couldn't get through to him. After several attempts, she finally got through to customer support. Go through. To experience something difficult. He went through a lot after losing his job. She went through a painful divorce last year. Go through. To carefully examine something. Let's go through the report before submitting it. I went through my emails and deleted the unnecessary ones. Go through. To be officially approved or accepted. The law finally went through after months of debate. His loan application went through successfully. Look through. To examine quickly. I looked through the documents before signing them. She looked through the files to find the missing report. Look through. To ignore or pretend not to notice. He looked through me as if we had never met before. She looked through his attempts to impress her. Pull through. To recover from an illness or difficult situation. The patient was critical, but he pulled through after surgery. Don't worry. We will pull through this financial crisis together. Pull through. To succeed despite difficulties. Despite the lack of resources, the team pulled through and won. He had a rough start in life but managed to pull through. See through. To recognize the truth behind something. I could see through his lies immediately. She quickly saw through his fake excuses. See through. To continue something until completion. She promised to see through the project despite the challenges. We must see through this mission no matter what. Run through. To quickly review something. Let's run through the plan once more before the meeting. He ran through the speech a few times before going on stage. Run through. To use up resources quickly. He ran through his savings within a month. We ran through all the supplies during the emergency. Live through. To survive a difficult experience. Our grandparents lived through tough times during the war. She has lived through many hardships and never gave up. Sleep through. To continue sleeping without waking up. I was so tired that I slept through my alarm. The baby slept through the night for the first time. Think through. To consider something carefully before making a decision. You need to think through the consequences before quitting your job. You should think through the pros and cons before buying a car. Work through. To deal with and solve a problem. It took her months to work through her anxiety. We need to work through these challenges together. Pass through. To travel through a place without staying long. We passed through several small towns on our way to the city. He passed through London on his way to France. Carry through. To complete something successfully despite difficulties. His determination helped him carry through his business plan. The team faced many challenges but managed to carry through the project. Blunder through. To move or act clumsily in a situation or make a stupid mistake. He blundered through the interview but still got the job. She blundered through her speech, forgetting important points. Walk through. To explain something step by step. The instructor walked through the safety procedures before the flight. Let me walk through the plan before we start. Walk through. To practice or rehearse something. The actors walked through the scene before the final performance. We need to walk through this dance routine again. Breeze through. To do something easily and quickly. She breezed through the test because she studied hard. He breezed through the interview and got the job. Shoot through. To leave a place quickly. He shot through the back door when he saw his boss coming. I need to shoot through before traffic gets worse. Talk through. To discuss something in detail. We need to talk through the plan before making a decision. She talked through her problems with a therapist. She talked through her problems with a therapist.